Hello there, my loyal viewer. I will be showing you a profitable 1 minute strategy which yields me good results in the market, and you can use this strategy to your advantage to get good results in the market. So I'm going to go in the market right now, and I'm going to take my live trading sessions, and you will see the effectiveness of this strategy. And I hope you find value in this video. Let's begin the trading session. I'm taking this, guys, because the price is at the supply area. Okay, I'm gonna mark it for you real quick. Give me a second. So we're at the supply area and we're taking advantage of the supply. All right, I'm marking it perfectly for you. Now, as you see, the price came and it closed in our supply area, and I'm taking this trade. So guys, you can take trades whether it reaches the area, and you can take trade whether it closes in the area. It all depends on the context of the market, and if we're in a ranging market, trending market, all these stuff, guys, that's the reason why I said you need the mentorship, because these sessions are my personal sessions which I'm sharing with you guys. And if you want to learn in depth about all these things, you can contact me on Telegram. I have a mentorship. Okay, let's find our next opportunity. This is another opportunity. Taking this for 2 because this supply right here is super strong. Okay. Oh, I forget. I have to mark it for you guys to see. Let me mark it real quick. I'm just so used to seeing all these candles, guys. I don't have to mark them. You see how I just took that trade? Check this out, guys. That is a sniper entry, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This is amazing. Perfection. Okay, let's find out. Oh, this is the opportunity for me right here, guys. Let me mark it to show you guys in a better view. Okay. If you notice here, the price came down to my supply area. Hold on 1 second. Yeah. It came down to my supply area, guys, and look at that sniper entry right on the line. Look at that, guys. This is amazing. I love supply and demand. It's one of the many things I teach in the mentorship. I teach this in the mentorship, guys. All these stuff. So if you want to increase your win rate and you're ready to invest in yourself, you can contact me on Telegram and I will get you in the mentorship. Okay, let's find another opportunity. All right, I'm taking this. Okay, one more, because we are at a support area, plus we close inside of the supply, guys. This is super strong. Oh my god, like this is so unique. Like there's no way on earth I could have taken this trade for like 1 or 2 trades. Like this is too clean, guys. You see that? The price came down and closed inside of my supply, and if you pay attention here, guys, I combined wicks with this. You see that? I combined the wicks also, guys. What's going on? If you see right here, I combined the wicks also. See that? The price came down and touched my wicks. See, it rejected very nicely. Okay, the price closed inside of my supply again, guys. Right here, I'll mark it, show you. This supply is not really strong, but it's still a supply at the end of the day. It's still a supply. Come on. Oh, guys, that was so close. Oh. Okay, taking this. Let me take one more, because I lose that trade previously, so I have to do a triple trade right here so that I can recover my loss and make 2 profit. Okay, beautiful. Yes, guys, so as you see right here, the candle came and closes on the supply area. and I take this trade for a sell trade. And it's so simple, guys. Like, to be profitable is so easy, so simple once you master these things. Like it's not a big deal. People make it seem like, oh, profitable. It's like the world. No, man, it's very easy. Believe me, it's very, very easy. Anyway, let's wait for this trade to close. Taking this for a double. I almost missed this trade, guys, because I was trying to mark the line for you guys. You see that, guys? Look at that entry. Look at that. That we call this sniper entry. Me and my students call these type of trade sniper entry. Okay? Taking this. You know what's funny about this trade, guys? One of my students took a similar trade like this the other day, and they sent it to me on Telegram, and I'm like, damn, that trade is very clean. And I'm seeing this trade playing out right now, which is looking exactly the same. But this is the thing, guys. All my strategies, if you know them and practice them and master them, you will see them very frequently in the market also if you look for them. All right. My student sent me a similar trade looking like this the other day, and he took a supply and demand trade, okay, for $50, and this is exactly how it was looking. And he closed in A plus. Hopefully, I close in A plus. Yeah, it's gonna close. This trade is so identical, but let's find our next opportunity. This trade is clean. Guys, I almost get a bad entry right here. That's the reason why I behave like that. I'm sorry if it's sounding unprofessional, but damn, like that trade was so nice. I didn't want to miss this trade, guys. Like, my head will hurt right now if I miss this trade. It's so beautiful. Come down. What's going on? Taking this for 5 trades because I lose the previous trade. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let me mark it, show you real quick. Taking this. Oh my god, this trade is so nice. Guys, this is a clean opportunity. If it come any higher, I'm gonna take one more. Guys, I want you to understand that in every strategy there's no 100%, but since last week and the week before I was having a winning streak. Okay, because my strategies are very, very good. Their win rate are very high. So I've been having a very strong winning streak, but today my winning streak has been broken again. So that's what it is, guys. I don't feel any way about it. Sometimes what happened? I draw. Okay, guys, as you can see right here, this is my today's session. Let's find some more opportunity. Okay, I'm taking this for 4 trades, 5 trades as a matter of fact. I'm taking this, guys, right here because remember previously we draw a trade and we lose a trade also, so we have to recover for everything. Okay, what's going on here? Damn. Oh, guys, I don't know what. Okay. Anyway, you guys are seeing what's going on, right? Something. This is the end of my session, everyone. I can't find any more good trades, so I'm closing my session here. And all of you should do the same thing. Whenever you can't find good trade, close your session.